We got to the junkyard and they require a mask. Luckily, we're right next to Micro Center, and Micro Center hands them out for free.
Aww.
Oh, what the?
Traffic.
What's wrong, bud?
Locked.
Locked. Can you pop it from the inside?
I don't think so. It's not the battery.
Oh, it's electric. That sucks. Hey, here's the taillight though.
But that's for like that Ranger.
In the arms of the rain.
Right?
So there's 3 4Runners here that we need to look at, and hopefully they have the tailgate. I think one of them is a 95. That might be too old. It might be the same generation. I'm not too sure. So we're gonna go look for that. Hopefully find it. And hopefully the tailgate's not shit. I think it's only like 85 bucks for it instead of $400 or $500 off eBay. Man, it feels good to be back in a junkyard. It's been so long. Drifted. Oh.
Then Fuji on.
Gotta teach that dang Fujiwara kid a lesson. Civics. Hold on.
Aww.
It's an Integra. I know that front end when I see it. It's a DA9. Of course, with no motor. '92 to '93 front bumper. Oh shit! Well, there's the motor. The car's been through. It used to be red, then black, and then blue. Oh, that dash is fucked. Oof. There's nothing salvageable here.
Womp womp.
Just like most DA9s, they hit the junkyard. They're either too fucked to get anything off of, or they've been ran through. Oh yes.
Dude, the roll bar.
A Kia Sportage. Actually, could we implement that in the Duck?
I bet we could.
Is that aftermarket?
I don't know.
Dude. It's all bolt-in. I wonder how much they would want for something like that. Because that could be a good harness bar. Right?
That's a solid.
Yeah. I think it's stock.
I think it is too because of the seatbelts. Let's go exploring.
Yeah.
And we'll come back to that.
Yeah, I like that. That's actually not... That's pretty sick. I just found the best find in the whole junkyard. Sad that it's broken. Oh, yeah, there we go. Some Jay-Z. I know, right? A red interior. But hey, even better. Jay-Z, the blueprint too.
Oh, fuck yeah. With a little glue, we could get that thing working perfect again.
It still smells old in here. Like even with all the rain that's probably been through here, it smells exactly how it should in here. The vinyl top. The top's pretty good though.
Yeah, the top's in damn good shape.
Better condition than the rest of the car. Holy shit. Alright, well that one's gone. Fuck. That's not good. It's not good at all.
This one hasn't, but that is a thing.
It is fucked. There's no glass and they took the fucking... Wow.
Strike two, huh?
That's not good at all. Dude, these Forerunners are completely fucked. Oh wait, here's one. Oh well, that's a newer one. Oh, that's a Pathfinder. That's not a Forerunner. Fuck. I was hoping for better luck than that.
No, I'm not touching that.
I feel like
I don't care if it's live or not. Still not touching it.
I don't know why it would be on the inside. Like that still kind of boggles my mind. It makes me think that
someone could like trip onto it.
Yeah, like I feel like it's not live, but at the same time I don't want to test it and find out.
Yeah, I don't want to find out either. See, all right. This is what I want to shove into the Integra.
It'd probably fit.
Because that is an LS4. Is a front wheel drive LS based motor. Think of this in the back of the Integra.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Mid-engine, that'd be sick. That might be coming up next. We'll see. I've always wanted to do something like that. The last Forerunner, it's a 95. It's not gonna work. Yeah, because this is all built into the body. Shit. Kind of a bust. Sad day. Wah, 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 wah. So the junkyard may have been a bust today, but Marketplace came through. Dude's parting out a Toyota 4Runner. It looked like it got rolled over. We got one. Everything works. Let's go see how it fits in there. I'm excited, so excited. Alright, it's gonna have to be cut, but look at it. Ta-da! Look at it. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, obviously that's sitting way too high.
Maybe we should just raise the roof of the Civic.
Okay. Dude, just standing like right here though, it looks so fucking cool. And the back wiper works too. Could you imagine? You know how like it gets foggy and like all the moisture in the mornings here?
Hey man.
It works, so.
I'll leave all that shit.
Yeah.
Take the Toyota logo off, of course, but.
So I'm thinking what we're gonna have to do, because we're gonna have to take this off. But so hopefully towards the end we'll get some sheet metal that comes out just like a little bit and then straight down, so it's just all flat in the back. So like I said, junkyard didn't work out, but this sure did. I mean, 120 bucks. I think the junkyard was gonna be like 85, but this was totally worth it. The guy was really cool. He wanted 150, and I said if we come tonight with 100 bucks and we'll remove it. He said he'd do 120. I was like, you know what? I don't even care. That's totally worth it. So. That looks legit, even though it is a little high up.
Dude, we gotta keep the spoiler. It's gotta
Yeah.
keep the spoiler.
Oh yeah, we're gonna leave the spoily boy on here. I mean, I guess I'm just gonna make this one video. A little bit of junkyard, little adventure time.
Yeah.
And then we'll get further into making this fit, and then that way we can actually start doing everything else in here.
Just a little update video.
It's a little update video, another one, because like I said, I want to start getting these rolling out at least once a week, or one video a week. I'm going to try to keep this pace up. It's just hard because we both work full time and we got other shit going on too. So, all right, guys. So that will do it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, because I guess liking and commenting actually helps with videos. And this is a new channel, new videos. Help us out greatly. And, dude, I just can't stop looking at it. This is so sick. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.